In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a sticky header in HTML. So I'm going to create a new file. Let's save it, and let's save it as sticky header.html. I'll say HTML and press tab. It will create basic structure for me. We're going to add here a header, and here we're going to say this is header. Here we're going to add section, let's say, and we'll say this is section, and we're going to give it height and width. So we're going to style it in the same page. So I'm going to say here style tag, and here we're going to say section, and here we're going to say that okay, section height would be, let's say, 800 pixel, let's say, and width obviously 100%. And now let's go for the header. So I want to make header sticky, right? What I'm going to say here is I'm going to set the position fixed, and I'm going to say top 0. That's it. Now if I open it in a browser, here you can see this is header and this is section. So basically I have to actually give here background color. So I'm going to say background color, let's say gray. Now if I refresh, now here you can see this is a section, and we want to actually set here a little bit, want to change here a little bit. So I'm going to say text align should be center, and yes, I want little padding of, let's say, 30 pixel, and I want to set background color so that you can understand well. I'm going to say here that background color is, let's say, green. So if I refresh now, here you can see now our headbar is sticky, right? I'm going to say here width will be 100%. If I refresh now, here you can see width is 100%. So now our header is sticky. Here you can see, okay, here you can see the scrolling. So it's scrolling with the header, right? So our header is sticky. So now you can actually add here anything. Let's say I want to add here a nav. So I'm going to say here nav, then UL, then let's say li, and I'm going to say here Facebook. I'm going to add more li, let's say here. So this one would be, let's say, YouTube. This one is, let's say, Instagram. If I refresh, change style. So I'm going to say nav ul li, style none, and display inline block. If I refresh now, here you can see now you can actually change of the background color, let's say white. Refresh, okay, fine. And we want some padding also, let's say 10 pixel. Refresh now, here you can see our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. So this header is basically sticky, right? So this is how actually you can actually make your header sticky. What you have to do, you have to just say that position fixed, then top 0, just these two lines. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.